Hi, Tim.
Take two. Somebody forgot to hit the record button. So...
Hi, Tim.
Where are you, Andrea?
I'm out in front of my house.
What are you doing there?
I'm getting ready to put up some Halloween decorations.
Yes, it is spooky season. I'll insert music.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's time that they're allowing us to start putting up our Halloween decorations.
So we got a new one this year.
We got
the Garage Buddy garage door cover.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's supposed to be super easy to put up, fast and easy.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how this goes. So we're gonna unbox this sucker or unbag it.
Yeah.
And lay it out and we'll see if we can make this happen.
Goes.
All right, here we go.
Bag. According to the instructions, all we should have to do is clean the top of the door. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Clean the top of the door, stick and attach the Velcro strip, hook the corners, adjust the size of the elastic bands as needed, stretch them onto the corners and onto the second hinge of your garage door.
All right, let's give this a shot. All right, taking it out of the bag.
Take it out of the bag. Oh, this is like a giant roll of...
There's the straps.
Yeah, is this the straps?
Yeah, I believe those are the straps in the...
Is this the Velcro?
Doesn't that look like a strap to you?
This is Velcro.
Huh, okay. Well, maybe there's more stuff inside the fold.
I was gonna say, hopefully there's more in there, because these are four things of, those are more things of Velcro.
Okay.
I'm totally confused
All right,
already.
well, let's keep going.
Okay, so before we start, just to let people know, because I was all confused about the Velcro, there is like the soft part of the Velcro here.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll attach that, and then there are
there's little strappy things
straps
at the
those
bottom.
will go to the bottom of the door. So
All right. So there's another one over here.
Yep.
All right, well, we're gonna start by cleaning off the top of the door.
Yep.
So I'm gonna hand the camera to you because I'm tall.
Okay.
Blur.
Well, what you doing, Tim?
I'm cleaning the top of our garage door.
Isn't
Because
that?
it is recommended.
It is recommended. Reminds me of like doing the
I always follow instructions.
yeah, the 3M strip things. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna let you clean.
Okay, so can I start?
Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, so strip application has begun. He's doing really good. I'll have to let him know if he's going low.
Well, just trying to keep it.
Yeah, if you
Roughly
just
the
keep
same
it
above the
roughly the
window.
same above our fake window. So, all right, I'm gonna let him continue and I'll video again. All right, go ahead.
All right, I'm going for it.
You're going for it.
Try not to step on it while I do this.
Yeah.
All right, so applying Velcro to Velcro.
Yeah.
Velcro is a great innovation, by the way.
It is. I believe it was invented in the space program.
By NASA scientists in the 1960s. Actually, maybe starting in the middle might have been smart. Good.
Okay, so here we are so far. It was actually as easy. So he just attached the Velcro
The Velcro.
all the way across. Only thing is ours is a couple inches.
It's a couple inches too long, and I did give them, well, I selected the garage door width that we have.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
we'll see. I think it'll work.
Yeah, so right now all we have to do is, because it's not...
Well, the strap is stuck underneath.
Yeah, the strap's stuck underneath, but we just have to go in and attach from the other
Attach
side.
the straps, and we'll see how it goes.
So,
Here it goes. So here it is going down. Our scary headless horseman Halloween decoration. All right. What do you think, dude?
I think it's pretty cool, and it really was as easy as they said.
It was pretty easy. Pumpkin head.
Yeah. Or the headless horseman.
I mean the garage door, not you. All right. Well, it's installed. We're a day early for decorations. We'll see if we get an HOA fine.
Yeah. Well,
I
technically...
doubt so. They never
what
come
time
back
is it?
this far.
Is it 5 o'clock? So
It's-
we're 7 hours early.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
In England,
It's already midnight.
it's already midnight.
So we're going by GMT.
There you go.
All right. So garage door buddy worked pretty good.
Yeah, I give it 4 paws.
We'll keep
Well-
it. We'll keep it at 4 paws now. We'll see where we
Yeah,
are
we'll see.
as Halloween gets closer.
As, the next week.
Yeah. If there's any maintenance required or we
Yes,
have to make
or
adjustments.
the other one is taking the Velcro down
Yes.
off the door.
Yes.
So, like,
Yeah, it's up there now. We'll
Yeah.
see. We'll see on the
see,
3rd,
yeah.
on the 1st of November.
yeah,
All right. So 4 paws. Guess that's it.
that's it.
You know what we say?
We'll see
Ooh.
down the spooky road.
Down the spooky road.